Teachers, staff, and parents have to juggle countless time-consuming emails, text messages, and phone calls every week just to keep their students safe and accounted for. ZoomX lets schools take control of dismissals and after-school activities by putting them all in one place. The ZoomX dashboard lets you see a whole class, grade, or even the entire school on one screen. The dashboard is your school's end-of-day command center. You can easily see parent, carpool, and dismissal instructions in the lineup view. Switching to the program view shows after-school program transitions information and after-school attendance. The dashboard even shows real-time ride arrival data to give teachers, staff, and administrators control of the day's dismissals and after-school programs, saving time and cutting confusion. And the ZoomX dashboard is always accessible from any web browser, with quick access from your desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet. With ZoomX, an average school can save over 1,600 teacher hours and up to 5,000 parent hours per year with faster pickups and better coordination. And the reduced traffic saves up to 5 tons of CO2 per year just from the parents' cars. With the ZoomX platform and mobile app managing your school's after-school programs, carpools, and dismissals, coordinating hundreds of students, teachers, and parents is easy. Get organized, cut traffic, and start saving time and money. Let us show you how today.